3, 2, 1.
In which year were Jumping Jack fireworks banned from sale in the UK? The answer is C, 1997. Why is the narrator surprised with how Africa looks? The answer is A, they expected it to look dingier. What are the only living organisms that can make their own food? The answer is B, plants. In the 17th century, Gregor Mendel crossed pea plants with different traits and observed the results in their offspring. To which of these did Mendel contribute most directly with his work? The answer is D, signs of heredity and variation. The axon contains microtubules and neurofilaments that are bounded by a plasma membrane known as what? The answer is B, axonema. The guy opens an ingredient with scissors. The guy hands the child an egg which the child breaks into a measuring cup. The child, and guy, what happens next? The answer is C, added the egg to the bowl. A student mixed 25 grams of salt into 1,000 grams of water. What is the mass of the salt-water mixture? The answer is C, 1,025 grams. What can explain that a body of water is a source of water? The answer is D, a deer drinking from a lake. Which blood leaves the placenta through veins leading back to the fetus? The answer is B, fetal. Which of these particles has a negative charge? The answer is B, electron. How many faces are there on a cube? The answer is B, 6. Which was the first country in the world to constitutionally abolish its army? The answer is D, Costa Rica. When did Canada lose independence from the United Kingdom? The answer is B, 1931. The numbers 111, 222, 333, 444, 555, 666, 777, 888, and 999 are all multiples of what number? Where does a gopher make its home? The answer is B, underground. Pipe, how would you do this? The answer is A, burns air when smoked. 42 is a domino game popular in which part of the world? The answer is A, Texas. A kid is seen pulling a tube on the snow. Someone pulls his string and lets go, sending him down the hill. What happens next? The answer is D, spins and laughs as he speeds downhill. What influences the types of plants and animals that inhabit a specific biome? The answer is B, climate. What two types of atoms bond to form sulfate minerals? The answer is C, oxygen and sulfur. Where did Laverne and Shirley from the self-titled show work? The answer is C, Schatz Brewery. Which of these sounds is commonly associated with owls? The answer is D, hoot. What is the capital city of the U.S. state in which the largest city is Bridgeport? The answer is B, Hartford. When were the Serrano's Towers constructed? The answer is D, 1392. Where may have we taken our vacation? The answer is B, the lake. What state was the show C-High-PS set in? The answer is D, California. How do you make a bike move? How would you do this? The answer is A, sit on it and push it with your feet. What provides the identities of the reactants and products involved in the chemical change? The answer is D, chemical formulas. What might this person's problem be? The answer is A, they are overworked. When did short films from TCM begin to stream on Passing Parade's website? The answer is D, 2007. When was Phil Skinner awarded an MVP? The answer is C, 1979. Which of the following guidance systems is principally a materials handling device? The answer is B, conveyor. What is one use of a spider's web? The answer is B, obtaining sustenance. Make organic card holder. How would you do this? The answer is A, arrange multiple carrots in a vase. What may be the reason Mr. Man stormed out? The answer is A, he was tired of being rejected. Why was the narrator happy to talk with PE? The answer is B, PE offers good advice. When did Washington University begin desegregation? The answer is B, 1947. How can the weight of the narrator be described? The answer is A, he is overweight. What is the OP likely suffering from? The answer is B, depression. What is the narrator going to get for their father? The answer is D, it will get them some desserts. Read book faster. How would you do this? The answer is A, chew tobacco while reading. What term refers to larger evolutionary changes that result in new species? The answer is B, macroevolution. When was the central body of the Grand Orient of France lost? The answer is C, 1773. What do solar cells convert the energy in sunlight into? The answer is D, electrical energy. The House of Lords includes appointed members, hereditary peers, and which of the following? The answer is B, representatives of the Church of England. Why does the narrator feel so cramped? The answer is C, they are flying. A man in a red shirt walks around a ladder. What happens next? The answer is C, places his arm on the ladder. What type of boiling point do nonmetals normally have? The answer is D, low. How long ago did modern humans Homo sapiens appear? The answer is C, 250,000 years ago. What happens if I call Ben Smith?